Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter number 16, Ajeyah Sa Bhavishyati. Ajeyah, victorious, Sa, it means he, Bhavishyati, this is future tense, lit lakar, will become. He will become victorious. So, dear students, in this chapter, the verses should be read as the introduction of what follows. If create curiosity in a human mind about what exactly are those things that we human beings who like to think ourselves superior to all other animals. We should learn from lion, crane, crow, dog, and a cock. So, the following verses have been taken from Niti Sar, composed by Chanakya, and is mostly advised about polity. Chanakya did not accept the idea that politics could be separated from the family and society. Hence, he included many aspects of human life in his advice about polity. Chanakya always stressed on the fact that if man is rational and learn to look at the world, then all the things and events of the world can become means to make his life practical and happy. By following these, man can make his life perfect. We may divide the animals around us into good and bad classes, but person like Chanakya found something to learn from each one of them. It is one such incident that Chanakya found qualities to be learned from different creatures around us. 1 from lion and crane, 6 from dog, 3 from donkey, 5 from crow, and 4 from cock. These are described in the verses selected here. In order to make one's life successful and develop one's personality, man should be able to inculcate these 20 qualities and follow them in life. From this lesson, we also learn that instead of finding fault with the animals, there are many things that we can learn from them. We flatter ourselves with the ideas that we know that human beings are always superior to animals and birds. Generally, we are superior, but sometimes we can learn many things from the animals. And Chanakya, a person who find really good things from the animal. Generally, we feel like abuse if a person called us dog, donkey, crow, because we always listen the negative things. We never like the person who called us crow, cock, dog, donkey. But now, after this chapter, I want to say that you students find the qualities and you think about that the animals also have good qualities and the human should learn from them. So let us start the first one. सिंहादेकं बकादेकं षट्शूनः त्रीणि गर्दवात् वायसात् पञ्चशिक्षे च चत्वारि कुक्कुटादपि. So first we separate the words. Sihat ekam बकात एकम, वायसात पंच, शिक्षेत च, कुक्कुटात अपि. So सिंहात एकम, one should learn from lion. Bakad ekam, one should learn from crane. Shat shunah, 6 from the dog. Trini gardhabhat, 3 from the donkey. Vayasat panch, 5 from the crow. Chatvari kukkutat api shikshet cha, 4 from the cock we should learn. So आप यहाँ समझ गए होंगे कि हमें एक शेर से, एक बगुले से, 6 कुत्ते से, 3 गधे से, 5 कौवे से, मुर्गे से 4 शिक्षा लेनी चाहिए. सेकंड वन, प्रभूतम् अल्पकार्यं वा यो नरः कर्तुमिच्छति सर्वारम्भेन तत् कुर्यात् सिंहादेकं प्रकीर्तितम्. So what we should learn from lion? Do you ever observe the lion hunting? He is full of concentration, single-minded, and once a time he wants to do only one thing. A man who desired to do a small or big work should do it making an all-out effort. This is said to be the things that one should learn from the lion. Prabhutam, it means a lot. Alpam, it means short, very little. Karyam, it means work. Yo naraha, a person. Kartum ichhati, wants to do. Sarva arambhen, with all out effort. Tat kuryat, tat karyam kuryat, should do it. Sihat ekam, Sihat, one from Prakirtitam. Prakirtitam is said. कार्य छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, जो इंसान करना चाहता है उसे होल हार्टेडली शेर की तरह यह कार्य करना चाहिए. थर्ड वन, सर्वेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य भगवत पतितो जनः कालदेशोपपन्नानि सर्वकार्याणि साधयेत्. सर्वे इंद्रियाणि, सर्व प्लस इंद्रियाणि, all sense of organs. Okay. संयम्यः, controlled. Bhagvat, like a crane. Patito janah, patito, this is not the proper word here. Here patito it means papis, but यहाँ पे पंडित आएगा. Here we use पंडित जनः. पंडित it means a man, a wise man. काल देशोपपन्नानि, काल देश plus उपपन्नानि, fell to one share because of time and place. सर्व कार्याणि, all works. Sadhet, decided. Okay, so when we observe a crane standing in the middle of a stream, it is standing very much still and half closed eyes. That time, if a fish thinks that the crane is sleeping, but as soon as the fish comes, what he did, the crane catch that. Okay, So a wise man should accomplish all the work fallen to his share due to time and place, restraining his sense like a crane. एक समझदार इंसान, एक ज्ञानी इंसान कोई भी समय हो, कोई भी जगह हो, अपनी सारी इंद्रियों को कंट्रोल में करके अपना लक्ष्य पूरा करता है. द फोर्थ वन, प्राप्ताशी स्वल्पसंतुष्ट सुनिद्रः शीघ्रचेतनः प्रभुभक्तश्च सूरश्च ज्ञातव्या स्वगुणाः हि षट्. Praptashi, one who eats what is obtained or available. Swalpa santushtaha, pleased by very little. Sunidraha, sleep well. Shigra chetara, wake up quickly. Prabhu bhaktasya, devoted to master. Shurasya, brave. Gnatavya, should be known. Swagunaha, qualities of a dog. He shataha, these are 6. So these 6 qualities of a dog should be known. What is that? It eats whatever it gets. It is satisfied by very little. Shunidraha, sleeps easily. Shigra chetna, wake up quickly. Prabhu bhaktascha, it is devotee to his master. Shurascha, and it is brave. Now the fifth one, avishramam vahed bharam sitoshnam cha na vindati sa santosh tatha nityam त्रीणि शिक्षित गर्दभात. कोई हमें गधा कहे, we feel very bad. We think that this is the abusing word. But the donkey has qualities. 3 qualities we should learn from a donkey. That is, a donkey, avishramam vahed bharam, tirelessly carries the burden. Shitoshnam, sheet plus ushnam, cold and heat. Nacha vindati, does not get. Sa santoshas tatha nityam, he contented. Trini sikshit gardabhat, these 3 things one should learn from a donkey. A donkey carry the burden without getting tired. It does not bother about heat and cold. Likewise, it is always content. We should learn these 3 things from our donkey. The next one, gudgarhastya chaturyam kale chalaya sangraham apramadanalashyam pancha siksheta vayasat. Gudgarhastya chaturyam, maintaining the family life. We never know about the close family. Who's there, how many childs, how's his wife. No, not a single person don't know about his family. He is very much clever. Okay. Gudgarhastya, scarcity of family life. Chaturyam, it means cleverness. Kale chalay sangraham, and kale, at the right time. Alay sangraham, building a nest. Apramad, alertness. Analashya, absence of laziness. Pancha sikshet vayasat, these 5 things we should learn from a crow. What is that? That is cleverness, scarcity of family life, building a nest at the right time, alertness and absence of laziness. Now, the next one is Yuddham cha prataruthanam bhojanam saha bandhuvi striyamapadgatam rakshit chatuhu sikshita kukkutat. Now 4 things we should learn from a kukkut, cock. That is Yuddham, it means fight. Prataha Utthanam, getting up in the morning. Bhojanam Saha Bandhuvi, eating with family and relatives. Striyam Apadgatam, Striyam it means woman, Apadgatam it means difficulty. Rakshit it means protect. Chatuhu Sikshit Kukkutat. 4 things we should learn from cock. Okay, so Yuddham che pratarutthanam, fighting, getting up early in the morning. Bhojanam saha bandhumi, eating with relative. Striyam apadgatam rakshit, one should protect woman in difficulty. These 4 things a person should learn from the cock. Now the last one is यह एतान विंशति गुणान् आचरिष्यति मानव कार्यवस्थासु सर्वासु अजेयः स भविष्यति. यह this एतान विंशति गुणान्, these 20 qualities. आचरिष्यति will practice, manav a person, human. Karyavasthashu, sarvashu karyavasthashu, in all states or any condition of work. Ajeyah sa bhavishyati, will be victorious. So the man who practice these 20 qualities in all the stages of work will become victorious.